Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 1067, the process terminated unexpectedly in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing, a lot of these things are associated with certain services. For example, I'll just show you. I have NordVPN on my system. Let's say that is the application facing the problem. So, I'll go to services, okay, and then I will scroll down to N and I will find the NordVPN service here. I'll right click on it. I'll select properties. I will change the startup type to automatic. I'll click on apply and then on OK. And then I will launch the application and it will work. Now, one may ask which service, how would you find the service for that specific application? So you'll have to search similar names. For example, for Valorant, it's a VG application. You will have to Google or you will have to contact the manufacturer of the application, or maybe you'll have to just search for it in the list of services, but you'll have to find it yourself. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.